In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail account in Facebook. Start by logging into Facebook using your usual email or phone and your password. Once you are logged in, you should see your main Facebook feed with the menu bar running along the top of the page. If you are not already on the home page, click the Facebook logo at the top left to get there before moving on. Now look to the very top right corner of Facebook and click your profile picture. A small menu will drop down from your picture. On most computers, this picture is a small circle, and clicking it always opens your main account options, so if you see that menu, you know you clicked the right place. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. When you click it, Facebook opens a full settings page in the main area. You will notice a list of different categories on the left side, and the middle of the screen will show options related to your account. Take a moment to confirm you are on the settings page before you continue. Next up, click Account Center. This option usually appears near the top of the left side menu. When Account Center opens, the layout changes slightly, and you will see sections about your profile, accounts, and settings. Facebook uses this area to manage info that can be shared across Facebook and Instagram, so email addresses here can affect both. With that ready, go to Personal Details, then choose Contact Info. After you click, you should see any emails or phone numbers already connected to your account. There will be labels such as primary or confirmed next to them. This page is where you control how Facebook reaches you, including security alerts and login notifications. From here, click Add New Contact. A panel or pop-up will appear, asking what kind of contact you want to add. You might see fields for email and sometimes phone, but for this video, we are only using your Gmail address. Once the form appears, you are ready for the next action. Now enter your Gmail address carefully, then click Next. Make sure you spell the Gmail part exactly as gmail.com, since a small typo will send the message to the wrong place. After you press Next, Facebook will show a brief message that it has sent a verification email to that Gmail address. At this point, Facebook sends a verification email to that Gmail address. This email usually arrives within a few seconds, but in some cases it can take up to a minute. If you leave this browser tab open, you can switch back to it after you handle the email. Next, open the email from Facebook and click the verification link. The message subject usually mentions confirming your email address. When you click the link inside, a new browser tab may open and you should see a confirmation page saying your email has been verified successfully. After verifying, return to Contact Info if you want to make the new Gmail address your primary contact email. On that Contact Info page, you will now see your Gmail listed, and there may be an option to mark it as primary, which tells Facebook to use it first for notifications and account recovery. You have now added your Gmail account to Facebook as a contact email, so if this helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Facebook guides.